Everyone, when they see utilities being installed, should be excited because it means progress.
The utility business is exploding right now.
As it drifts to the trenchless side, the vacuum excavation, the drilling, it gets more sophisticated.
We are seeing more hazards that we have to identify. The biggest mistake is that the other guy would do it.
When I'm on my way to a job site, the first thing that I'm thinking about is safety. My name is Michael Roberts. I'm the president of AccuBore Directional Drilling, and right now we're on our way to a project where we're installing some 2-inch natural gas pipe for a new distribution system. We use our directional drills for the install of really all underground utility conduit, but specifically for electrical and natural gas. The first thing that we do is we call 811 to notify all the utility providers that we're going to be working in the area, and then we'll come out and actually physically locate all the utilities that are identified. We're talking about inches of separation between the old utility and the new utility. So there's a lot of risk around that.
I think the biggest mistake they make is not having the training going out and purchasing a piece of equipment. I'm Mike Anderson. I'm the president of Ditch Witch Bay Area from San Francisco to San Diego. For most people, whether it's been a loader, an excavator, a bulldozer, there's years of people that have been running these, and the baton's been passed, the mentoring's occurred. With a drill, with a vacuum, there's not a lot of past pioneers to draw from. Right now, we're training 350 to 400 people a year. We'll ask them to come through our training. We do 2- and 3-day trainings here. We do classroom. We do simulated training, so that by the time they go to the field, they'll have a pretty good grasp before we get there. We wanted people to be successful. We also equally wanted them to be safe.
As a manufacturer, we're really excited to see a dealer like this take initiative to put in a training facility such as this. I'm Susan Harmon, Product Safety and Compliance Manager for Ditch Witch. We are developing more capabilities in our drills. If I had one message, the key would be to respect what's underground. If you respect what's underground, then you're going to do what's necessary to find it, to know what's there, and to do what's necessary to avoid it.
There are a lot of different stakeholders that are involved in the industry. I'm Bernie Bernhardt, and I'm the Manager of Tech and Safety at the Association of Equipment Manufacturers. Everywhere from the manufacturer to the contractor, the operator, 811, municipalities, government, all of those people are involved. Those stakeholders have to communicate. AEM and the underground committees that we have represent over 20 manufacturers that build horizontal directional drills, vacuum excavators, backhoes, excavators. So all those different manufacturers had one common goal: to heighten the awareness. It's a team effort. One of the most common misconceptions is that calling CGA 811 is enough. It's not. You need to make sure that you're planning correctly and also exposing the utilities. It just takes a phone call. It takes a little bit of communication, a little bit of planning that will benefit everyone.
We work real closely with the utility company at the start of the project to notify the residents that we're going to be in the area, and then work with the utility throughout the process to make sure that we're identifying all of their subsurface facilities. And that's what we're in the process of doing today, is going back and actually verifying the location of all the utilities. Once all the utilities are located, then we'll actually start the directional drilling. Safety is the first thing that we do at the start of our day, and it's how we finish our day as well. Our safety program is working when we do have another day without a problem. Just another job well done.